Starting in high school, I had a lot of work done hereditarily. My whole family had bad teeth. So I had a lot of work done, and I had kids when I got older. I didn't have insurance. I didn't go to the dentist like I should. And basically when that dental work started going bad, my teeth started breaking and really falling out. So by the time I was 40, I pretty much was missing about 5 or 6 teeth. I was missing the front tooth. And I had a lot more that were broken, and I had basically no molars left. So I inherited some money from my parents, and I decided that I would get implants done, full set. And they both had them done also. So I knew ahead of time that it was a good idea, and they had come a long way since, you know, when they first started doing them. And that's when I called Cunning. I listen to talk radio a lot, and they have a lot of ads on talk radio. John and Ken on KFI. So I'd been hearing their ads for about 10 years, probably I'd say, before I actually came in and checked it out. And when I came in, I liked what I saw. The first time I came down to Cunning Dental, I went to one of their seminars, and it was a very relaxed atmosphere. You know, they fed you beforehand. Everybody was really, really nice. I mean, people say that all the time, but honest to God, these people they treat you like family, and make you feel right at home, you know. And it's kind of, a lot of doctors do that, but these guys are sincere about it. So, you know, Mr. Cunning hired a bunch of good people here. First time I came in, they took my blood pressure, and I had a high blood pressure problem for years, and I got it taken care of. Well, they informed me that they would not work on my teeth until I got my blood pressure problem fixed, because for liability reasons, obviously, they didn't want to put me under with high blood pressure, and they really cared that I'd get my health taken care of before I got my teeth taken care of. So I had to wait 3 months before I actually got my procedure done. And I had a class reunion coming up, so I was on a time limit, so I really had to change my lifestyle and things to get my blood pressure down to where it needed to be. And but I did it with their help, and with the help of my personal physician. I made it by 3 days. I got my my teeth done, and my reunion 3 days before my reunion, and I made it with my new teeth. So it was pretty cool. What attracted me to the procedure that Cunning Dental does is they just seemed like they knew what they were doing. I mean, they could have done anything. I wouldn't have known any difference, you know. But after talking with Dr. Katami and Dr. Chen, they laid everything out ahead of time. I know exactly what they were doing, how they were going to do it. They make sure you know what's going on. And so there's really no guesswork. I wasn't nervous at all about it. It's just the total atmosphere in this place. It's a very nice office, and you feel at home, you're relaxed, and you don't think like you're going to have any problems. And I didn't. I had not one problem the whole time. It was excellent. On the day of my procedure, I was a little bit nervous before I came in, but not too bad. Like I said, it's so relaxed around here, and they're so nice to you. You don't really feel like it's a big deal. You know, you're just getting, you know ahead of time what's going on, and that's really important. If you know ahead of time what's going on, you're not going to be surprised. You're not really that nervous. Dr. Chen was really good the day of the procedure. He made me feel really comfortable. He let me know what he was going to do. Like I said, I knew exactly what was going on before it happened. I have a full bottle of painkillers that they prescribed for me at home. I didn't take one. I didn't take one painkiller after the procedure. Not the next day, not 2 days later. The swelling wasn't bad. It just didn't hurt. And it was kind of, I was surprised, but I wasn't surprised, you know. That's the way they do things around here. You know, you're comfortable no matter what. They make sure you're important, you're first, and your comfort is their #1 concern. So they do a good job. The main thing I've noticed with people and their reaction to me physically, you know, the way I look, is they say I look younger. Like I said before, I had a tooth missing in the front, so and I had no molars, and my cheeks were a little bit sucked in the back. And now that I've got a full set of healthy teeth, or implants, it did fill out my face. I noticed in certain situations I do feel a lot more comfortable. And I didn't even realize I was uncomfortable before. You know, it's kind of a strange thing. But now I'll go into any room and I'll be beaming, you know, and I don't even worry about it. I don't even think about it. And I've only had these in a month now, my permanents, and I've already got a better attitude about just about everything. So they make you feel good. That's mainly what it does. It makes you feel good about yourself and about your appearance, and that goes a long way. If you happen to be considering getting your teeth done, getting these dental implants put in, you know, I can't think of any negatives. I just knew Cunning Dental was the place to go. Like I said, I'd been researching them for about 10 years, and I knew they knew what they were doing. They assured me there would be no pain. There wasn't. They said the recovery wouldn't be hard. It wasn't. They were honest up front, and I would highly recommend them. I wouldn't go to anybody else for anything in my dental needs, ever. I mean, since I've been here, I'll never go anywhere else.